Anyway, so you must have noticed this article around the same time I did that they changed their logo because it's like a barely a change.
Sure, yeah.
And you wanted to get it in there, but I don't even know if people are going to notice. That's the new logo on the left and the old logo on the right. And if you didn't have them in reference and I showed you the one on the left and I said, what logo is this? You'd be like, oh, I don't know. That's the Mi logo. That's Xiaomi. You wouldn't necessarily be able to pick up the fact that they had rounded the corners. But apparently this was a big decision and there's a lot that went into it. It's known in the icon community as a squircle. It's like a square and a circle together.
Oh, okay.
And the explanation from the CEO, the company didn't just change the shape from square to round, but it changed the internal spirit as well as the mentality of the brand. Oh, you know why you got to say something like that.
Of course, yeah.
If you're going to announce that you changed it, like, you know, it might be subtle, but it is a significant move for these companies.
Yeah.
It's not an easy one to think about. You put a lot of energy into the previous branding. You can see some of the examples they worked through. It's no joke, man. Look at all the versions.
Wow.
Imagine if we worked with this level of efficiency over here.
Nah.
You're like, here you go for this thumbnail, Lou, for this clip. Here are 17 options.
Yeah.
And then it's 17 thumbnails. So 17 options for 17 thumbnails on a daily basis.
Yeah.
And then I just have a little slider and I go like this.
You like option A or option B? C? A? It's like the eye test.
It's crazy, man. I mean, just looking at this and I'm getting scared. Like, trying to have to make this choice because of how subtle the differences are between, look at N2.9 and N3, which was selected, I guess.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Like what? So close.
But it's about the spirit.
So close. But anyway, this is significant because I do believe that Xiaomi is doing the thing we've been talking about, which is like stepping the game up. It does seem to me, it's just so many products and announcements, and they're like, let's just modify the logo a little bit to commemorate the fact that we're here to stay, we're here to play. We're coming for the top spot type of thing.